Say, are you looking to learn about the history that shaped our world and have fun doing it? Want a better understanding of some of the most influential people and events from our past? Or maybe you're interested in exploring some of the greatest stories humanity has ever told? Well then, pull up a chair and flip that phone to landscape mode, because the show's about to start. We're Extra History, and we've been making animated videos chronicling our shared past since 2013. Though these are not lectures, mind you. Rather, we aim to lead you through the rich tapestry of history via storytelling that makes you feel like you're actually there experiencing the history firsthand. But we of course don't do this alone. All of our historical series are chosen by our patrons over on Patreon, because that's the best way to ensure that we craft episodes about the topics that you're most interested in. Novel? Yes. More work? You bet. Worth it? Oh heck yeah. Not to mention we have shows covering things like literature and mythology, because let's be real, why should we let the historians have all the fun, you know? Ooh, and actually on that note, if you're here for the channel's OG show Extra Credits covering video game design and game culture, not to worry, that's still going. And you can find all of that goodness over on our new dedicated gaming channel here. But if you'd like to become an extra historian yourself and keep up to date with all of our weekly releases, then grab your tweed coat, history-loving cat, and hit that subscribe button and bell. That way, you'll know precisely when our next animated expedition begins. Welcome everyone to Extra History.